Are you fed up of facing interviews? And are you not happy with the job you do now? Didn't you get a proper job that suits your qualification? Or you don't get paid or recognized for the workload you do? Don't worry. Today we're going to tell you ways to earn money as side hustle, and later on you can improve it to your main income too. You be your boss. You can work at any time you want. And demand the pay for your work. Subscribe to our channel if you're new, before diving into the topic deeply. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Are you an introvert looking for side businesses that suit your nature? As an introvert, you may not enjoy jobs that require constant face-to-face interaction with people. Instead, you might thrive in work that allows you to be alone and work independently without interruptions from colleagues or customers. The good news is that there are side jobs out there that require very little effort and can help you earn an extra $1,000 each month. What's even better is that many of these jobs can be done from the comfort of your own home, which is a plus for many introverts. So if you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash without having to put yourself in uncomfortable social situations, here are 6 side hustles might be perfect for you. Number 1. Paid surveys allow you to work from home comfortably and make money without making any upfront expenses. Simply register for an account on a reliable, safe market research website, answer a few questions about yourself, and begin doing surveys. You may participate in as many surveys as you like, and you can stop taking them whenever you choose. The money you may earn from paid surveys varies based on the website you use, how much time you have to invest, and how many and what kinds of surveys you are eligible for. Most online survey sites employ points, which you may get by participating in surveys, polls, trivia contests, and other activities. The amount you receive for completing a survey varies depending on its kind, duration, and offer. About prospective rewards, some well-known paid survey sites state: Swagbucks. Most Swagbucks users should be able to make between $1 and $5 a day, or between $365 and $1,825 a year. Branded surveys. If you want to get the most money from surveys, your best plan is to be truthful and accurate. Here are some of our favorite survey sites where you may earn up to $10 per hour or more. Survey Junkie, Vindale Research, Survey Savvy, Swagbucks, Pinecone Research. Number 2. Freelance writing. Do you have a knack for writing and want to make some extra money on the side? Freelance writing could be the perfect opportunity for you. This job is ideal for introverts as it allows you to work independently and at your own pace. Freelance writing involves writing for a variety of clients, such as businesses, bloggers, podcasters, and website owners. You can get paid hourly, per word, or per project, making it a flexible and straightforward way to earn some cash. The beauty of freelance writing is that it's easy to get started. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it simple to find clients and begin your writing journey. You can work part-time or full-time depending on your schedule and preferences. If you love writing and storytelling, freelance writing could be an excellent side job for you. So why not give it a try and see where it takes you? Who knows, it could turn into a full-time career down the road. Number 3. Virtual assistant. Have you ever considered working as a virtual assistant? It's a great way to make some extra money on the side, and there are plenty of different types of virtual assistant jobs out there. As a virtual assistant, or VA, you'll be working remotely and providing administrative or technical assistance to clients. The beauty of this job is that you can work from anywhere, as long as you have a stable internet connection and the necessary equipment. Administrative VAs typically handle tasks like data entry, email management, appointment scheduling, and customer service. Digital marketing VAs help with tasks like social media management, content creation, and email marketing campaigns. Finance VAs assist with tasks like bookkeeping, budgeting, and tax preparation. And finally, financial assist VAs provide assistance with tasks like investment analysis, retirement planning, and estate planning. To find virtual assistant jobs, you can check out job sites like EA Help, Virtual Staff Finder, Fancy Hands, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, FlexJobs, virtualassistantjobs.com, and LinkedIn. The hourly wage for virtual assistants typically ranges from $10 to $30, but the most important thing is to gather as much experience, skills, and feedback as possible to help you progress in your career. Ultimately, the key to being a successful virtual assistant is being able to handle and solve a client's situation. So if you think you have what it takes to be a great virtual assistant, why not give it a try? You never know where it could take you. Number 4, delivery driver. Well, we can't deny that you've got some driving skills if you're looking for a side hustle as a delivery driver. As a delivery driver, you'll need to have a good sense of direction, strong driving skills, and the ability to deliver meals on time. The best part is that you can work alone or with others in a small capacity, earning up to $25 per hour. To become a driver partner, you must meet several requirements. First, you must be at least the legally required driving age in your city. You must also have a 4-door car that meets the company's requirements, a valid driver's license, and at least 1 year of driving experience in the United States. Additionally, you will need to pass a background check and have a clean driving record. Passenger ratings are crucial since they influence your ability to attract new customers. Therefore, providing excellent customer service and driving safely is essential. You can choose from a variety of companies like Uber Eats, Uber, Instacart, Postmates, and more to get started. These companies offer a flexible work schedule, allowing you to work on your own terms and earn some extra cash. Number 5, e-commerce store owner. Being an e-commerce store owner means that you are the person responsible for running and maintaining an online business. You offer products or services to the general public through the internet, and you don't have to interact with customers face-to-face. Instead, email is typically used to manage customer issues and requests, and other corporate connections like suppliers, manufacturers, and shipping carriers are often communicated with via email as well, if available. Being an e-commerce store owner is a self-employed position with numerous benefits. You have the potential to earn an unlimited income, and you can work part-time or full-time, depending on your needs. Your schedule is flexible, and you have the freedom to make your own decisions. Ultimately, you have the ability to create a thriving and profitable business. If you're interested in becoming an e-commerce store owner, the process is relatively simple. You just need to follow a few steps. 1. Select a product, service, or niche that you wish to sell. 2. Look for a source to purchase products from, such as a supplier or manufacturer. 3. Create your online shop, using a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. 4. Attract customers and make sales through marketing and advertising efforts. Remember that while being an e-commerce store owner has many benefits, it also requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. However, if you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be significant. And lastly, number 6, profitable blogging. Let's talk about profitable blogging. Not only can you express yourself and connect with others, but you can also earn some cash from it too. Whether you want to make some extra money on the side or turn it into a full-time gig, blogging is a great way to do it from the comfort of your home. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose your niche or area of expertise. 2. Create your blog. 3. Start writing and publishing your posts. There are several ways to earn money from your blog, including ads and sponsorships, affiliate marketing commissions, selling products or services. If you're looking for a reliable hosting provider for your blog, we highly recommend HostGator. You can use our link to get a 60% discount, which means hosting can be as low as $2.95 per month or less than $40 per year. And for domain registration, we suggest Namecheap. So, start blogging today and turn your passion into profits. By utilizing one or more of these methods, you can easily make an extra $1,000 per month as an introvert. Whether you prefer to work from the comfort of your own home or are comfortable hitting the road, there is an option for you. Take advantage of the resources available to you and start earning extra income today. Remember, the only limit to your earning potential is your willingness to try something new. So, go ahead and explore these options and find the perfect fit for you. Good luck! Thank you for taking the time to watch. Share this video with friends who are seeking for a way to supplement their income. Don't forget to like and subscribe.